was wonderful, to be honest, because first of all, I love Spain, and for me, I am feeling the honor to represent our movie, to represent our story and our plot about what we created, what me as an actor experienced, and what our directors created in their minds. Thank you for that experience. I've been in Barcelona before, and first of all, I started my career as a model here 5 years ago. So that's why I experienced already Catalonia and Barcelona as well, and I love this city probably because my career started. Um, but before, I've never heard about this festival. Um, but to experience that yesterday, to be honest, for me, it's incredible feeling inside me. Thank you so much. With the short film, first of all, I started working as an actress, and all of our crew were invited me there because we were faced with each other on our different platforms, and they invited me, and of course, I agreed it. But on that time, I didn't know that our project will grow up to the festival level. So for me to started to work there, um, it was as a model, as an actress, it was a good experience. But as me personally, I didn't know on that time that I would be here today and represent our movie and the short movie as well. But it's interesting experience and it's absolutely different from my area. Yeah, we're living a lot of our people right now located in Portugal and especially in Lisbon. And with them, I already on the one team for 1 year, probably more or less. And we love the city, first of all, because we are in our creative society. And when you probably could understand me when you are in society which you are feeling the same way, which you are flowing through the same level. So this experience can inspire you to be more creative, to make up the story, and to inspire it by each other. So yeah, we enjoy to live there. Yeah, it was filmed outside. It was filmed close to the Lisbon area. It's called like Sintra. It's a castle territory, and there it was a villa. So we are rental the villa, and 2 days probably we were continuously making the video and recording that. And to be honest, sometimes I really wonder if the person see the backgrounds and everything that be backside of the scene because it happened the real life there. So yeah, it was so creative. For we were as a whole family. For us, we were feeling as a family, and even though the endless days there without any night break, so it was inspired for all of us. Then you'll see this awesome finish and awesome result. With this short film, it's the first film when we were with the Kim together on the presentation. It was the first premiere for us. Before that, we were in Portugal together, so we had the premiere for only our crew. And after that, they have in every series also another city in Portugal. They have their also premiere, but without me. For me, and personally, to have the presentation and premiere for our movie for the first time when I see it by my eyes, and it was incredible. Even though you will see your name and the last name on the cast, and it's impressive. Yeah, exactly. Because both of these, let's say, the same area, it's my passion, and I'm really feeling that I live my life right now. Even though I have some topic which I improve in also, but modeling and actress, it's my passion of my life. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, but recently I haven't seen them so a lot because there are a lot of horror movie outside, so that's why oh my god, it's not possible to always look at them. But yeah, in general, I love horror movies. And it was a good experience for me yesterday because 3 hours I was compensated probably the previous time when I haven't seen the movie. Not yet. I guess our team is already creating something, and probably they have some perspective which they hide from me right now. I don't want to reveal, and we will see. Probably to leave our audience a little bit hungry of our idea, so sooner or later you will see us again here. Thank you very much for the opportunity to give you this interview. For me, it's really proud to be here. Thank you so much.